Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about constructing a line which is parallel to a given line and passes through the point given. So the question number 1 of exercise 10.1 says, draw a line AB, take a point C outside it. So we've taken a line AB, that's the rough figure for the question. Remember, whenever you are about to construct any figure, always start with a rough figure because that gives you an idea about how to construct the main figure. Now, draw a line AB. So we have drawn a line AB, mark the point C outside it, and through C we have to draw a line which is parallel to AB. So let's name this line L. That means we have to construct L as a line parallel to AB which passes through C also. So the concept that we are going to use over here is that whenever there are two parallel lines and there is a transversal means any line which cuts the two parallel lines at two different points, that is called a transversal. So let's name this point P. So now if we name it P, we have this angle and this angle. So these two angles are the alternate interior angles, and by the property, if we know the angles that are made by the transversal on the parallel lines, we know that the alternate interior angles are equal. So if I name it like this PQR, I can label this point as R dash and I can label this point as Q dash, because if I know the value of this angle, I will be able to construct the copy of this angle over here. And once I construct the copy, that means I have constructed the angle with the same value, and it gives me a scope that now if these two angles have been constructed equal, then the line that will be drawn through this point C and Q dash will definitely be parallel to the line AB. So we are applying the concept in the reverse direction. So now let's start the main construction. Let's start the main construction now, and in this construction we will first of all draw the line AB. So we have this line AB with us. We'll mark the 2 points A and B so that we can call this line AB. Next we'll mark a point C which is not on the line. Okay, so this is point C. Now we'll first of all make the transversal passing through C. Okay, it passes through C. So let's label this point. This is point C. I hope it's visible. Okay, so this is the transversal. This is the transversal. So now we label this point as point P. Okay, and now going according to the rough figure, we have to first of all construct an angle over here. So we'll take a compass and we'll construct an angle over here. Okay, now we construct the angle to label the 2 points Q and R. Okay, so we have this point as point Q and this as point R. Now we have to construct the copy of these points. So for that, what will we do? We'll not change the radius at all, and we'll place the pointer at C and construct the arc again. Okay, we'll just make it a little dark. So this is the arc with the same radius as we had taken for the first arc. So the second arc is also constructed with the same radius. Okay, so this second arc, this gives us the point R dash. That means it is the copy of point R, but we still have to construct the copy of point Q. So for that, what will we do? Now we'll take the compass opening equal to QR, exactly equal to QR. And once we have taken that, we'll place the pointer at R dash, and so make sure that it is exactly equal to QR. It does not change, otherwise the copy of the angle will not be constructed properly and the lines will not be parallel. So this is Q dash. This is the copy of point Q dash. And now we'll join Q dash and C to make a line which is parallel to the given line AB. Okay, it will be parallel to the given line AB. Since the two angles were equal, so the line L that we have now constructed, this angle was the copy of the first angle. Therefore, the line that we have made passing through C and Q dash is exactly parallel to line AB. Okay, so this was the construction of line parallel to AB and passing through point C, which was not on the given line.